Hello and welcome. Today's gentle flow is going to be focused on your shoulders. Tight shoulders pull your entire posture forward, making it much harder for your neck and upper body to work. In today's gentle session, we're going to unlock that stiffness, restore the mobility and improve your posture. So let's begin. Let's start in hero's pose. So find a comfortable position. If this is not too comfortable for you today, you can stay cross-legged or even in a chair if you like for the first part of our session. When you've reached here, just close your eyes. Maintain your straight back, chin parallel to the ground. Relax your face. Relax your arms. Relax your shoulders. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sigh it out. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. And one more. Exhale. Try to maintain your eyes closed and just gently start to circle your arms here. So there's no right or wrong with this pose. So you're just making circles with your arms bent or extended. All we're trying to do here is notice if we're holding any tension or stiffness at the shoulder level. Try to move from the shoulder joint only. If you've done one direction, move to the other. And just notice. Stop, shake it off, and open your eyes. Good. Now extend your arms straight at shoulder level, and from here we're going to make small circles with the hands. Again, we're doing this from the shoulder joint only. We're increasing the circles, make them wider. If we've done one direction, let's stop and let's go the other way. Start with small and start to increase them to be wider. Good. Stop at the center and let's shake it off. Now clasp your fingers in the back. Interlace your fingers, extend your arms, open the chest, look up. Lift the fist as high as you can. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake it off. Place the palms on the mat. Come onto your knees. Shift the pelvis back and up, and let's find our first downward facing dog. Start to pedal the feet, shake the head. Do any movement that you find beneficial in this moment here. Gently stop at the center, 3 breaths here. Inhale for 1. Exhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale. Inhale for 3. Exhale. Come forward into a plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Slide your chest forward, gaze up. Baby cobra, lift palms off the mat. Inhale, shift the pelvis back and find again child's pose. One breath here in child's pose. Inhale, come forward into a plank. And from here we're going to walk our hands forward and aim at putting the chest on the mat, extending our arms here. We're maintaining the hips on the same line with our knees. Place either the forehead, the chin, or the chest to the mat. If you have any discomfort at the shoulder level, widen the distance between your palms here. We're staying here for 3 more breaths. Inhale for 1. Inhale for 2. 3. And very slowly come up, come onto your palms and knee. Let's do a short round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch your spine, gaze up, chest up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, releasing any tension from the upper back. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, round. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Inhale up. And then exhale, round. Good. Come on to our hero's pose again. And we're going to do the cow face arm. So raise the right arm up. Bend your elbows. Put the left arm behind you and try to catch your fingers here. Now, if this presents a challenge to you, you can catch your t-shirt like this or grab a towel, a yoga strap if you have one lying around and use that for support. We're staying here for 5 breaths. Chest is open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, do not force. Exhale. And 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly in control. Release your arms. Extend your arms now. Now place the right arm under the left. Maybe bind at the wrist, at the palms. Lift your elbows up. And let's do these eagle arms for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3. Maybe lift your elbows higher. Exhale here. 4. And 5. Extend your arms, shake it out. Do anything that you find useful in this moment. And no surprises, let's go the other side. So now, lift your left arm up, bend the elbow, bend the right arm to the back and try to catch your fingers here. You can use a strap, a towel, your t-shirt if you need to do so. Inhale for 1. Inhale for 2. Inhale for 3. Inhale 4. Inhale 5. Very slowly release your fingers, your t-shirt, your strap, your towel. Extend your arms at shoulder level. Cross the right over the left and maybe bind at the palms. Lift your elbows as high as you can and let's stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale, do not force. Exhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale. Inhale for 3. Exhale. Inhale for 4. Exhale. Inhale for 5. Exhale. Release your arms, shake them. Do any organic movement that feels good in this moment. And then from here, all we're doing is opening the chest to the sky, gazing up. Extend your arms up and open again. Inhale up. Exhale, open 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale, open. And the last one, inhale up. Exhale, open. Good. Come onto your palms and knees. One last time, coming to downward facing dog. Come forward into plank. Lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Slide your chest forward and let's come onto our belly. Open the arms to the side. The elbows are on the same line with the shoulder here. And on the next inhalation, push the left palm into the mat and then gently roll over to your side. Place the ear on the mat. Feel this stretch on the right shoulder here. Stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Come back onto your belly. Open now the left arm to the side. Push the right palm into the mat. Open the chest to the side. Place the ear on the mat and stay here for 3 breaths. Feel that lovely stretch on the left shoulder here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Come back onto your belly. Push now both palms onto the mat and then come into a hero's pose. Shake your arms. And then let's find a moment of stillness here. Just notice your shoulders. Notice how you're feeling. Let the breath be natural. We're not counting it anymore. If you have the time, you can go into a longer Shavasana. You can click on the Yoga Nidra video that I'm sharing on the screen. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Until next time, Namaste.